This is not a normal link this evening. Yes, man. Yes. The Maverick can make a big link this evening. Yes, you know what I see? Yes, 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 yes. Hello? Hello, Donald. How are you? It's the Maverick. Yes, the Jamaican Maverick. Yes, yes. Yeah, we know you are the American Maverick. When it's me, the Maverick from Jamaica. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, you gave me a straight line number, remember? Yes, yes, yes. So how's the presidency? Yes? Too much fake news. Yes, Donald. Anyway, this is what I called you about. The U.S. men's soccer team, they are out of the World Cup. No, 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 not the World Series, Donald. The football or the soccer World Cup. No, 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 Donald, man, no, Donald. Not American football. These guys are soccer players. These guys stand for the national anthem. Yes, 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 yes. It's a disgrace, Mr. Trump. No, sorry, Donald. Yes, yes, yes. With all your resources and all your facilities, and with such a great guy as president, yes, yes, yes. Your soccer team will not be at the World Cup for the first time in over 30 years. That's a disgrace, Donald. Yes, yes. Huh? They should be fired? You mean like fire? You know what they're saying, though, Donald? Mention was even made about the building of the wall. Yes, yes. And that the Mexicans and the Hispanics in general are mad at you, Mr. Donald. Yes, yes. So this might be their way of getting back at you. I don't know. I don't know if it's true, but that's what they're saying. Yes, yes. Huh? You're going to make a tweet. Careful, my friend. Be careful. I gotta ask you this though, Donald. Yes, yes. Are you a racist? I mean, we've been friends for so long, but they keep saying that you're a racist and you don't like blacks and the other minorities. Is it true? It's fake news? Okay. Anyway, you gotta do something about your soccer team. It's too embarrassing. Yes, huh? There was interference in the preparation of the team by Russia. Oh, because they never wanted the USA team at the World Cup to be held in Russia. Oh, I don't know. I really don't know, Donald. And you got further on because two nations played the USA at the same time. Two nations? What are you talking about, Donald? Which two nations? In this last game? Two nations? Trinidad and Tobago. No, it's one country. No. Donald.